With virtual healthcare, you will have more time with the ones you love. Do more of what makes you smile. Have control of your health. Feel freedom to get inspired. Gain empowerment to reach your goals. I'm Dr. Wibbenmeyer, and I am rewriting the narrative of your healthcare experience. This is Virtual Health.
I think the experience was great. I think I did have maybe a little bit of reservation at first, only because I've never connected this way with a medical, physician, somebody that I'm seeing for that. But this was really, it came at a great time. I think I really needed it, and I appreciated that I still got the amount of time and the amount of care that I would get at the office. And so I feel like it was really beneficial.
I'm an executive and I'm extremely busy. I work very full 10-hour days. The great thing about virtual appointments for my life is that I can actually fit this into my day, and I don't have to worry about a 30-minute commute to an office and a 30-minute commute back to the office and where can I fit it in, because I'm also a busy mom. So to me, virtual appointments have been a godsend and have actually made me more healthy as a result. And through my work with Dr. Wibbenmeyer, I'm actually improving my health. My blood tests have improved, and we've done them all, I think, virtually for almost 9 months now, maybe 2 in person, and we've been able to be successful with achieving some of my goals.
I used to say that virtual care was the future of healthcare, but that was 6 years ago. Now we're seeing everyone from small private practices to large hospitals incorporating virtual care with their patients. It is becoming the standard model of the healthcare industry. And because of this, it is important for me that I still deliver good quality care that you deserve with a seamless experience. Because of the convenience of virtual health at your fingertips, you can access it without the constraints of location, the worries of travel time, or because of your busy work schedule. And because life happens, I am here to help you see your highest potential, to think bigger, and to break free from the limitations that you feel are in your life.
Awesome. I love that point where you were saying, you're an executive, your days are busy, and I get that a lot with patients where they don't have the convenience or the time to spend a big chunk of their day, whether it's in the beginning, middle, or end, to travel to a doctor's appointment. And so they can sit, whether in their home office or their corporate office, and fit this into their day between meetings. So I think that's a really good point, that you really take away the time of travel. And I've had a lot of patients say, and I can wear whatever I want. It doesn't matter because you're doing virtual care. Rating it. Any tips or any insights on that?
I think for me, the one thing I definitely do is I take notes the entire time. I actually find that a virtual appointment makes it easier for me to keep an appointment log. So I just take notes throughout the whole conversation, and I've kept a notebook that I can go back and reference if I'm ever concerned about messing up either my prescriptions or my treatment plan. I like having that, so it's almost like a journal of our work together. And I don't think I'd be keeping it if we were meeting face to face each time. It's just much easier to do it through this kind of interaction.
Yeah, thank you for that. I think that's actually a really good point that I didn't even think of. There's a lot of people out there that this is new and it's different. And sometimes we resist those things that are new and different. So what would you say to people who are listening, patients who are listening, that you feel like could be ones that are a little bit resistant or are unsure about it? Like, what kind of advice or kind of key nugget would you say to those people who see it happening, but they aren't really sure how it would fit into their life?
I would say just be open to it, and it really was easy. It was easier than maybe some people, maybe if they're less comfortable with technology or they have reservations about that. It really was very simple, just a click of a link to get it started. And so I think even people who are, maybe hesitant, I think they should give it a try.
Just go for it, essentially. Just try it.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Awesome, Madeline. Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Resilient Health is at your fingertips. Enhance your healing experience through the power of virtual care.